The challenges that we're facing now really stem from getting the knowledge to teachers and having teachers really understand what kids need and how to teach kids how to read. Because we're in this shift of moving from one style of teaching to another now. We did all these assessments and we felt great because we were doing the assessments, but the connection to learning and instruction was not necessarily there. We've incorporated letters into our work, and the letters trainings that teachers have been going to have been invaluable. We started working towards grade level goals based from the letters assessment, and that's been helping our AIS teachers, our classroom teachers, and our building leaders really dive into that data and say, hey, look, this kid is doing pretty well compared to the grade level standards and outcomes that we're looking for. The confidence of the educators in our little part of the world has grown tremendously.